Hi guys, welcome back to my channel 100 Degrees of MNK. I just want to start off by saying Happy New Year. I know it's been well over 8 to 9 months since you guys have seen me, but I'm back and I'm here to stay. Today I'm just going to go ahead and do a little quick tutorial and review on Bobbi Boss new locks. I've always wanted to try locks, and I said to myself, if I ever get to a point where I don't want to deal with my hair anymore, my last resort will be to do locks. But now, since with the help of technology, we all can have faux locks every now and then. So I wanted to do something small and also something natural. So I'm like, you know what? Let's check it out. So today I'm going to be using, before I actually get to this, I need everyone that's new to the family or that, has been watching me for a while but wasn't sure if they wanted to join or not, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that we can get started. So I'm going to be using 6 packs of the Bobbi Boss hair in the color 1B and 18 inch. I will recommend that if you do have a small head, try to keep your numbers between 6 and 5 and 6. And if you have a larger head, by all means go ahead and go for the 7 pack. But from what I've seen from reviews, you don't really need that much hair, because again, it is locks, and depending on how you braid your hair will also impact how much you actually need. So for me, I already have a small head, and as you can see, I got my Meek Mills and the tiniest braids that I can construct. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right now. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, there's not much hair in each pack. I am a little nervous because I'm a girl that loves full coverage makeup, full coverage hair. I don't like any spaces in between. But since this is locks, let's hope and pray that everything works out just fine. Yeah. So you have to create a little loop. And what I love about this hair already is that it's very soft. So it's not much of a hassle for me to actually create the loop. It's a little bit too soft, but it's soft enough so that I know I can just easily loop it through my hair with no problems at all. Being that this hair can be a lot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct the entire front line and the back line and the sides before I actually start going to the middle. That's going to save me a lot of space and time, and also a lot of hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the lock like this, and you're going to keep your crochet pin open right here. You're going to hook your braid, right? And then you're going to latch the hair onto the hook. Then you're going to close the hook. Then you're going to pull through. And then upon pulling through, make sure you don't lose a knot. I almost lost a knot there. You're going to then put the hair through. And then there you go. Already I'm loving it because it's so small and soft. And since my braids are tiny, it's just going to look so much more natural in the front. Look at it. Alright, so enough of my talking. I'm going to go ahead and do the same method all around here and to the sides. And then I'm going to start doing it staggered about. Alright? Let's get it.
Said you're gonna do that. Move me. Never said that you would do that. No, love me. Never said that you would do that. No, babe, look what you do to me.
Baby, I'm chilling outside.
Baby, come and look into my eyes. Yeah, I know the feeling is right. Yeah, I just need you tonight, Baby girl, you're coming around, I know you're staying around because you never wanna leave. Bumper clock, and then I go in and out, and then I hear your sound saying I'm everything you need. Ooh yeah, you wanna know where we can go, all the way to Fernando. You wanna be my Nintendo, but you gotta know I don't play no games.
Everything I say is true, I'll be a mess here without you. And I hold you down, you don't need to stress, so let me just lay up on your chest.
She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the lighter check. Roll the weed and let me smoke the cess, and you can lay up on my chest. She making me weak check, grind the check.
Alright, so this is the front of my hair all done. I'm gonna go ahead now and do the sides and then go around before I start doing the middle.
Let's pick it up when I FaceTime, cause you know that you're all mine. Oh, I'ma roll in my car, come wherever you are. Got whatever you need, baby, you get it. Everything I say is true, I'll be a mess here without you. And I hold you down, you don't need to stress, so let me just lay up on your chest.
She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the lighter check. Roll the weed and let me smoke the cess, and you can lay up on my chest. She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the lighter check. Roll the weed and let me smoke the cess, and you can lay up on my chest. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know I need you, yeah.
You know he needs me, yeah.
You know I want you, yeah.
You know he wants me, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know I need you, yeah.
You know he needs me, yeah.
You know I want you, yeah.
You know he wants me, yeah.
She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the lighter check. Roll the weed and let me smoke the cess.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. As I mentioned earlier, I initially started with 6 packs and I ended up using 9 packs. I don't know how. Maybe it could have been the fact that my braids were so small and the hair itself was very small, so it required a lot of space. But I still have a lot of room in the back so that it's not so heavy. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, add some nice pieces. This is from Anna Beauty. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. I'm about to go ahead and just plop these in, and then I'll come back with the full face and the final look.
Hold me, never said you're gonna do that. Move me, never said that you would do that. No, love me, never said that you would do that. No, babe, look what you do to me. No.
Baby, I'm chilling outside.
Alright guys, so here's the finished look. It all in all took me about 2 to 3 hours, breaks included, to install my locks. I am 100% in love with how it turned out, and I hope you guys love it, and feel free to comment on what you'd like about it. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help. I know I said I was going to come back with a full face and all, but I didn't have time. I didn't go out last night as I planned to, so I decided, you know what, let's just embrace the natural all the way through. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscription button if you haven't. Like, comment, share. See you next time.